Okay, the coast is clear. Everyone is in the basement getting ready for the luau.
Fisher, this is our only chance to use Don Cuco's room, which I know is your room. I already said sorry and sang a whole song about it, so let's move on.
I created this machine to make the most annoying sound in the world. I was going to sell it to the military, but it should also work for us.
How'd you make it?
Easy. I just recorded Presley being annoying.
Ugh, out of my way, Fisher. Fisher! 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 Fisher!
And when I combine them all and alter the frequency, it creates the most annoying sound in the world.
Oh, come on. It can't be that bad.
They're all down there waiting for the luau to start.
You should probably put these on. Here comes the pain.
That sound is awful!
I was gonna do a sneak attack, but this is too awful!
Hey, I got Don Cuco's milkshake. Noise making ears cry!
I've never been so happy to be so annoying. Nice work, everyone.
Yeah, the house is finally back to normal.
Guys, not so loud. My ears are still sore.
And that's how Alan comes home from Branson.